We were out for a hike with Liliana the other day, and she got a little injury. She wanted to share with you a quick and easy, all natural materials first aid bandage that you can make in the woods. Can you explain what happened, Liliana?
Well, I got a blister, and Dad told me to put some sap on it.
Some sap on it, okay.
And then I had this idea of making a Band-Aid.
All right, let's see it first of all. Wow, look at that. Okay, and how did you do it?
I just found a leaf
A leaf, okay.
that someone had already stepped on, like that.
Oh yeah,
And it was broken
all right.
and dented and everything. So I just used that and plucked off the leaf. And I used, since I just had it on my thumb, the sap,
Yeah,
I just put it.
you got something else stuck on you from the sap. Then you stuck the leaf on there with the sap.
Yes, and then I put sap all around it, over and all around it.
Okay.
So then it stuck.
I feel like you discovered a possible extra little thing. The mosquitoes are getting you right there. Here. And that is that you picked up a frog and you noticed that the frog pee did something to the sap. Maybe it just got it wet, but what do you think happened?
It was water, so it got off the sap on this.
It actually took the sap off? Is there any sap on there anymore? Whoa, it really feels like it took the sap off. Not just coated it with water, which can make it feel not sticky for a moment. It seems like it took it off. Are you willing to test that again? But maybe sometime when there's no mosquitoes? They're kind of getting you today, aren't they? Yeah, they love you especially. And you got yours, Liliana, from a balsam fir. On these you can poke it. This clear sap comes out. This clear pitch comes out. And it has antibacterial, and I think it also has antiviral properties. I could be wrong on that one. There's other trees you can use, the balsam fir as we mentioned. And spruce often has a kind of a tougher, rougher pitch, but it still can work if you find it of the right consistency. And the white pine can have wonderful pitch to work with. You can use any leaf that's non-toxic, but plantain is a great one that has some healing capabilities. Heal all. And sometimes you can find a dandelion that's big and round enough that it'll work. Like this one. All right. If any of you want to share some wilderness first aid, we're looking for things that you can do just with natural materials. Share a little something that you've used before and has worked really well for you. And secondly, if any of you are brave enough to test the frog pee hypothesis as to seeing if it takes sap off, let us know what the results of your experiment are. All right, thanks for watching, everybody.